All right.
Oh, God, Roach!
Oh, man, Roach! Where? Oh, man. Oh, man, Roach, that reminds me of the time. Man, you remember that time? Remember about that roach? Remember Nancy's roach?
Don't even start, Bobby.
Well, that was the grossest thing I ever saw in my life. Man, I remember you had some diet drink, and you set it down, you sitting right there, and you set it down right there on that table, and you went in there for a while.
Shut up, Bobby.
And then you come back in here, and you sat down, and you picked up the drink again, and you took a big old long swig of it. And that's when she got that look on her face, that weird look in her eye, you know. And I said, Nancy, what's up? And then all of a sudden her mouth comes open, and I see these two little tentacles coming out. And I swear to God, man, no lie, all of a sudden this big old roach come out of her mouth and crawled up onto her cheek. And I was like going, roach, roach. And all of a sudden she's like, Bobby, what's the matter? And I was pointing at it, and she puts her hand up to her mouth, and all of a sudden the roach crawls onto her hand, runs down her arm, and jumps on the floor and runs off laughing. Man, now to me, that was the grossest thing I ever seen in my life.
So, was he really laughing?
Yeah, kind of a roach laugh.